another interesting place in Manila. The name is Venice Grand Canal Mall. Apparently, inside the mall, it looks like Venice, similar like in Las Vegas, or the same like in Las Vegas. We will see when we're gonna go in. Wow! Did I just teleport to Italy? Or this is Las Vegas? Nope! This is the Venice Grand Canal Mall in Manila. This place is so romantic, even the gondolas are blushing. Get it? Blushing gondolas? Nope. Okay, I am moving on. I swear, I have seen this mall stream in Las Vegas. I have a video that I made there, link in the description. Maybe these malls are lost long mall cuisines, or maybe someone really loves pasta and gondolas. And hey, it's not all Italy here. There is Filipino stores too, so you can eat adobo by pretending you are in Venice. This is what I call fusion confusion. So come on, let's explore it. Just don't fall in the water unless you wanna swim with fake fish. Unfortunately, I have to remove the original audio because the mall played copyrighted music on the radio and YouTube did not like it. this point, we left the mall. I hope you enjoyed it. On our way home, and when you just think Venice Mall could not get any wilder, meet Victor. This steel dude is been standing there so long, even he forgot why. Maybe he's waiting for the gondola. And down the road is tiny cousins, a fishing couple, forever yielding absolutely nothing. Just keep fishing, couple. That's it about our very metallic adventure. Until next time. Early evening in Rodriguez, Rizal, downtown. Loud motorcycles, loud music, and lots of people on the street.
That one is $1.99 unlimited.
We are the Global Canadian Couple. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share. Want to join our next journey? Hit the bell so you never miss an update.